If you're trying to choose a mobile carrier, you might be stuck between Boost Mobile and T-Mobile. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just about price or coverage. The surprising truth is that the best choice depends on your priorities like data speed, coverage, plan flexibility, and perks. Let's break it down. Boost Mobile is a prepaid carrier that runs on T-Mobile's and Verizon's networks, depending on your location. It's known for affordable plans and simplicity. You don't have to worry about credit checks or contracts, making it ideal for budget-conscious users or those who want flexibility. Boost plans start as low as $15 per month for basic talk and text, with unlimited plans ranging around $50. T-Mobile, on the other hand, is a full-service postpaid and prepaid carrier. It offers nationwide coverage, fast 5G, and a variety of plans, including Magenta and Essentials. While slightly more expensive than Boost, T-Mobile includes perks like streaming subscriptions, hotspot data, and international coverage. When it comes to coverage, T-Mobile has the edge, especially in rural areas and for high-speed 5G. Boost Mobile's coverage is good in urban centers, but can be spotty in more remote areas if you are on the T-Mobile network. For speed and performance, T-Mobile also generally wins. Their unlimited plans offer faster 5G access, while Boost speeds may be throttled on lower-tier plans or during peak times. Customer service is another factor. T-Mobile has physical stores, online chat, and phone support, which is convenient for troubleshooting. Boost is mostly online and through retail partners, which can be limiting if you prefer in-person support. In conclusion, Boost Mobile is best for people prioritizing budget, no contracts, and simplicity. T-Mobile is better if you want reliable nationwide coverage, faster data, and additional perks. Your choice depends on what matters most, saving money or getting speed and coverage. If this comparison helped you understand which carrier fits your needs today, subscribe for more mobile reviews, plan comparisons, and tips to save money on your phone service.